forearm. This is flexor compartment of forearm. There are 8 muscles in the flexor compartment of forearm. Out of these 8 muscles, 5 are on the superficial group. First one is the pronator teres muscle. Pronator teres muscle. Pronator teres muscle has 2 ends. All flexor muscles of forearm originate from the common origin, that is medial epicondyle of the humerus. So this is first muscle, that is pronator teres, which originates from the medial epicondyle of the humerus and inserted over the middle part of the lateral surface of the radius. Second muscle is flexor carpi radialis longus. This also originates from the medial epicondyle and inserted over the second metacarpal of the palm. This is flexor carpi radialis. Third muscle is the muscle with short belly and long thin tendon, that is palmaris longus. It originates from the medial epicondyle of the humerus and inserted into the palmar aponeurosis by crossing the flexor retinaculum. The next fourth muscle is of superficial group, that is flexor digitorum superficialis. Just below this tendon of palmaris longus, the muscle with 4 tendons, the first, second, third and fourth. The muscle with 4 tendons is the flexor digitorum superficialis. Again, it is originated from the medial epicondyle of the humerus and inserted over the middle phalanx of the medial 4 digits. The last muscle, that is flexor carpi ulnaris. As it is also a muscle of flexor compartment, so it is also originated from the medial epicondyle of the humerus and inserted into the carpal, that is pisiform. The last carpal of the first row, that is pisiform. That's why pisiform is known as the sesamoid bone, because it develops into a tendon of this muscle, that is flexor carpi ulnaris muscle. So these all are the superficial group of flexor compartment or